Hi. Okay, just another update. Um, so it's in. The car runs, of course, um, and it works. The shifter has been giving me all sorts of problems. Uh, if I had to do it all over again, I probably would have bought an S10 shifter, and my life would have been much easier. So if you're going to do this, really consider an S10 shifter, even the base. But yeah, this Mustang shifter was a pain in the butt. Anyway, so I got it pretty well set. You can see that there's only two out of the four screws in there because I just got this tightened up back in there, kind of where it's supposed to be. Um, but it's basically set. I haven't installed the stops yet because the holes, the stops, the rods are too long, so I got to work on that. Anyway, so that's the wire right there. The yellow and green, that's the actual neutral safety switch wire, and the car will not start without those two connected. So I kind of got this jury rigged in there, and I have that. So the car will run. It's actually gone around the block, but it's right now. It's the exhaust isn't right, so the exhaust it's really noisy. Anyway, so the next issue that I'm having is I have two center console panels. This is from a 4.3 Doug Nash, a stick one, and I have the automatic one still. And the problem is the same on both. If you could see, if you could see, right there, the shift base will not clear the one cup holder. So you're gonna have to do surgery to get that cup holder. You're not you're not gonna make it. It's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work. And I really want to keep my cup holders. So I'm trying to figure out. Plus, I have all this area here. Like this will be the shifter part, but then all this area down here will be open. So I'm hoping I can cut and twist the cup holders this way, so the cup holders will go this way rather than this way. So that's kind of what I'm hoping to do, but I haven't. Obviously, I haven't done anything yet. So I've been trying to get the shifter to work right. I was having a heck of a time. The last time was trying to get it into reverse. I had all five forward gears, but no reverse gear, and now I have everything. So that part's at least fixed. Anyway, so the car goes into the exhaust shop and gets the exhaust installed later this week. The and then I can start cutting this. I'm not in a big crank to cut this and get this all straightened out because it's going to be a bunch of work to get this working like it's supposed to. And I'd much rather work on getting the hood. There's the hood scoop from inside. The hood to painted. That's what I want to get, the hood painted and the nose painted. So that's really the next item is getting the hood done. So and I need to do some sanding and then filling, of course. And then after that, it works pretty good. Yeah, that's my stereo. Works fine. Because this car does not have Bose, this is a non-Bose stereo car. There's no speakers in the doors. I have speakers up on the dash on both sides, and that's it. I don't, and then I have speakers, of course, in the back, but they're smaller than the Bose speakers cars. You see right there. See how that extra speaker, that extra hole and stuff. That's for the Bose speakers cars, and this carpet came out of a car that had a Bose sound system, and mine doesn't. Anyway, and like my car doesn't have cruise control, or my car doesn't have. My car has no options. Anyway, mine was a cheap Corvette. Anyway, so that's kind of some interesting background information. This this block, I did want to talk about this block a little bit. I did make this aluminum block right here, this offset block. I made that to slide the shifter over to give me a little more, and I think that'll work okay, but it's still not going to cure the problem with the cup holders. So I'm still going to have to do something with a cup holder assembly. Anyway, so that's what I got today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.